YouTube, how you doing? This is a lesson for Ray, so an easy guitar lesson for Ray. Now I've had a chat with you, I know who you are, so right at the beginning, so let's keep it nice and simple, and we're going to give you 3 chords just to start with. So let's make it easy. Let's get the neck up here. So let's start with A first. So A is a good place to start, isn't it? A. Start at the beginning. So 3 fingers stuck together, the 3 middle fingers here, stuck together like this, these 3. And so we're going to stick that onto your guitar on your 2nd fret. It's all like a whole line down on your 2nd fret. So starting on the 4th string here, and the 2nd finger's on the 3rd string, and then the 3rd finger is on the 2nd string. I always get it mixed up, what a div. Anyway, so it's going to sound like this. There's your A. You can see that properly. So, or I play it like this, which is very lazy. I mean, as you progress later, you all play it like this because it's quicker, and you can do other things with these fingers all over here. So that's that. But it's in the beginning stages. So it's A is the 3 fingers stuck together. Keep them sticking together like that, and then place them 1 on each string like that. Then play from the 5th string down here. That gives you an A chord. So that's. Alright, so there's your A. And now I'm going to give you E. So E is these 2 fingers stuck together, the 2 middle fingers stuck together, and that's just above where your A is. So if your A is there, so it's still on the 2nd fret, these 2 to stuck together is going to be your 5th string and your 4th string. That's E minor, just as it is. If you want the major chords, just go with the major, and then the 1st finger goes on the 3rd string on the 1st fret, just there. So it's 1, 2, 3 up from the bottom. And that gives you an E. You can see that properly. See it properly? Yeah. So it's that sort of shape. These are kind of important shapes you're going to need, and these are like your building blocks really. You start here, and then as you progress you'll see how they fit into everything else. But these are easy ones to learn. So it's, you can play all the strings down there, all of them. Okay, and I'm going to give you a D as well. So that's E, A, or A, and we'll expand on these as we go along. Alright, so take it easy, don't rush yourself. And D, right, D is the next very important chord. These are all basic chords, and you know, it's good to learn these from the beginning. So 1st finger is on the 3rd string and the 2nd fret, and this next finger, this middle finger, is on the bottom string, on the top string, top E, on the 2nd fret, and then the 3rd finger goes in that little space there on the 2nd string and the 3rd fret. So that gives you the D. And these are all relative chords; they all fit together in like a sequence. So if you've got A, D and E, you can probably play nearly every Buddy Holly song that ever existed like that. So when you get them together, you can, you know, do other songs like here. Okay, it's an easy way of thinking of it. All the Buddy Holly songs are kind of that style, and using like a 3 chord trick, and that's the first 3. So let's keep it simple. Just keep it A, D, and E. So if you learn those 3 first, I'll chuck something else up next time, and we'll do some of the others. So don't rush yourself. So right hand stuff, strumming. So just get a chord. If you're using a pick, or using your fingers, I think you'd be using a pick, because you was talking to me about that. Anyway, don't have a pick with me right now, which is, so just up and down, up and down. Hold the chord on. Change it to the second chord, which is D, E, there you go. That's a little starting block for you, Ray, and we'll do some more for you next week. Give you a chance to have a little crack at that. So A, D, A, E. Remember this, mate. The more you play it, the better it becomes. So if your fingers start to hurt, stop playing. Give yourself a rest. Start again on the next day. Because depends what strings you're using. But anyway. Alright, that'll do for today. Cheers, thanks, Tar. See you later, baked potato. Be lucky.